guys, today we're in Arequipa and we have a day off, so we just bought some food and some beer and we're chilling up here on our rooftop. And then tomorrow we're going to take a bus and check out a canyon. We're out here in the Colca Valley and we're going to drive to a viewpoint to try and find some of the condor birds. So today we're back in Arequipa, and since it's Easter weekend, a lot of the shops, restaurants and tourist attractions are closed. So I just got some food and I'm heading back to the hotel now to do some more editing on last week's video. Gracias. And now it's time again for another night bus. We're driving to Nazca. We made it to our hotel here in Nasca, and today we're just gonna chill out and have a barbecue by the pool, and then tomorrow we're gonna do some sightseeing. Today we're going sandboarding and for a ride in the buggies in these dunes. So excited for it. Unfortunately, this is our last night on the group tour. We've had an amazing time and these 3 weeks have gone by so fast. Next week we still have a couple of days left here in Lima. See you guys then. Peace!